Just look at this website. How is it? Look at the overall presentation, the visuals, and how everything comes together beautifully. No, wait. Take a look at this one. You can see how the animations and layout give it a completely different vibe. And wait, here's another one. Notice the details here, the smooth transitions and the premium look it creates. And finally, check this out as well. Notice the design, the colors, and the overall feel of it. So tell me, how are these websites? I built all of these fully animated websites for a fruit juice brand. Each one has a cinematic hero section, smooth animations, and a premium design feel. And the best part is, all of this was built using AI. No coding, nothing complicated, just me, AI, and the final result you're seeing right now. And I created all of this in just 2 hours. So in this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to build a complete animated website like this using AI. For this, I'll be using 3 main tools. First, Flow or Veo for generating images and videos. Second, Google Antigravity to design and build the entire website. And finally, Netlify to deploy the website online. Using this same process, you can create your own websites, build business websites for clients, and even sell them internationally. Now here's how the workflow will go. In step 1, I'll generate all the product images for the juice packs and then turn those images into animated videos. In step 2, I'll use Google Antigravity to create a complete website using those assets. In step 3, I'll review and customize the website to make it look more polished and premium. And finally, in step 4, I'll deploy the website online using Netlify. So if you think this can be useful for you, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Today, we're going to build a landing page for a fruit brand called Fruitix. This brand focuses on fresh, natural fruit juices. And for this demo, I'll mainly focus on the UI design to make it look cinematic and premium, not the back end or other pages. So I already have the concept ready with 6 juice flavors. You can see these juice pack ideas here. Now the concept is very simple. First, I'll generate proper product images for each juice pack, and then I'll convert those images into animated videos. So let's start with image generation. For this, I'll use AI tools like Flow or Veo, where we can generate high-quality visuals just by giving a prompt. Now I'm opening Flow, which is a Google AI tool. Here, I'll simply click on Create Project. From here, I'll choose the image option, select the size, and then upload the base pack image. Now I'll add a prompt describing the design. I'll share all these prompts in my Telegram channel so you can check them out there. Now I'll enter a prompt to generate a premium juice carton design with bold colors and a modern look based on different fruit flavors. Once I run the prompt, the AI starts generating multiple image variations. As you can see, the results look really good, very vibrant, clean, and premium, which is exactly what we need. Now I'll select the best images for each flavor and download them. Once the images are ready, the next step is to animate them. So in the same Flow tool, we can also create animated videos. I'll switch to the video option, choose the aspect ratio, and then give another prompt. This time, I'll ask the AI to convert these images into short, cinematic videos with juice splashes, floating fruits, and smooth motion effects. Now, the AI starts generating the videos, which may take a few moments. And yes, now the videos are ready. You can see they look very smooth and high-end, which is perfect for a premium website. Using this process, I've created multiple images and videos, and I've saved everything in one folder called Fruitix. So now we have all the assets ready, both images and animated videos. Now let's move to step 2, which is building our website using the assets we created earlier. For this, we'll be using Google Antigravity. As you already know, Antigravity is Google's AI development tool that allows us to build full websites and applications just by describing what we want. Instead of writing code manually, we can simply give it instructions and it will generate everything for us. I've already downloaded and set up Antigravity on my system. If you want a complete guide on how to install and use it, you can watch my previous video where I've explained everything in detail. So first, I'll open Google Antigravity. This is how the interface looks. Here we have the main workspace where we can create or open projects. Now I'll open the folder that I created earlier, which contains all our product images and videos. Once I open it, Antigravity loads the project inside the editor. Now, before generating the website, I'll select the fast mode for quicker results. And for the model, I'll choose Gemini Flash since it's faster and more efficient for this type of project. Using something like Gemini 3.1 Pro can consume a lot more quota, so for this demo, Flash is the better option. Now here, I'll give a simple prompt explaining what kind of website we want to build. Don't worry about the prompt. I'll share all of them in my Telegram channel so you can easily copy and use them. The link is in the description below. So basically, the prompt says to create a premium and modern website for our fruit juice brand, Fruitix, showcasing multiple flavors with a bold and vibrant design. It should have a cinematic hero section with juice splash visuals, interactive product sections, and smooth animations to give a high-end feel. And overall, the website should include all key sections, be mobile responsive, and look like a premium global brand. Now, as I run the prompt, Antigravity starts working on the project. It may ask for permissions in between, so you just need to allow them as required. As you can see, it has started generating the website, and it's even creating custom images for our fruit juice packets. And honestly, these look really premium, very vibrant, clean, and high-end. Now, once the process is complete, Antigravity gives us a localhost preview link. This is basically a live preview of our website, so I'll just open it in the browser. And just look at this. The overall design looks very clean with a dark and premium theme. At the top, we have the hero section with the juice pack video, which looks really amazing and gives a strong first impression. But here, I feel the dark overlay is a bit too strong, so we can adjust that later. As we scroll down, you can see different sections like the brand message, why Fruitix, and product highlights. Each juice flavor has its own dedicated section with a very premium look and detailed information. We also have sections explaining things like 100% pure fruit, no added sugar, and cold-pressed benefits, which adds a lot of trust to the brand. Further down, there's a craftsmanship section that gives a more premium and storytelling feel to the website. And at the bottom, we have the footer with contact details and brand information. Honestly, I really like this. The way each product is showcased looks amazing, especially the pack hover animations. The dark theme gives it a very premium and royal feel. It doesn't look like a simple juice website. It actually feels like a high-end luxury brand. Overall, the design looks very polished and visually impressive, but there are still a few small things we can improve. So in this step, I'll fix a few issues and customize the design to make it even better. First, the navigation button, Find Fruitix, doesn't look great. It feels too long, so I want to simplify it. Next, in the hero section, I want to replace the current video with a watermelon juice video to better match the overall vibe. And finally, the footer layout is vertical right now, which doesn't look very clean, so I want to convert it into a proper 3-column horizontal layout. So I'll give Antigravity a prompt to fix all 3 of these things at once. Now I'll just paste the prompt and run it, and Antigravity will start working on the changes. After a few moments, it's done. It has again shared the localhost preview link, so I'll open it. And yes, you can see the button is now smaller and looks much more clean and professional. The hero section video has also been updated, and now we have the watermelon video, which looks much better and more relevant. Let me check the footer as well. And yes, now it's properly structured into 3 columns with better spacing and layout, which looks much cleaner. but I still feel we can improve the hero section a bit more by adding some text on the video. So again, I'll give it another prompt to add a short 3-4 word headline along with the call to action on the hero section. I'll paste the prompt, run it, and let Antigravity handle the update. And yes, it's done. Now you can see it has added the text and CTA on the video, which makes the section look much more complete. Also, I think before the craftsmanship section, I can add a kiwi juice video, and before the footer, I can add another video, which is the pomegranate juice video that I already have. So in the same way, by giving a simple prompt to Antigravity, I'll add both of these videos as well. Now, if you look at the website, I think the home page is pretty much ready. As I mentioned earlier, this demo is mainly focused on the UI design of the website, so I'm not going too deep into advanced features. You can always customize it further and add more functionality based on your needs. But for now, I think this is good and more than enough to show the overall concept. This is just to demonstrate how you can create a fully animated and premium-looking website using AI. And honestly, if you present this kind of website to a client, they will definitely consider working with you. Now, let's move to the final step, which is deploying our website. For this, I'll simply ask Antigravity to prepare the project for deployment on Netlify. I'll give it a prompt to organize all the code files, create a proper folder, and download it to my system. Once I run the prompt, Antigravity starts working on it. It will automatically arrange all the files and prepare everything required for deployment. After a few moments, it's done. As you can see, Antigravity has generated the folder and also provided the file location. So I'll just open my Downloads folder. And yes, here it is. You can see all the code files are available and properly structured. Now to deploy this, I'll open Netlify in the browser. Here, I'll simply log in, and on the dashboard, you'll see an option to add a new site. Now I'll choose the Deploy Manually option, and here we just need to drag and drop our project folder. So I'll drag this folder and drop it here. Now, Netlify will start uploading and deploying the website automatically. This usually takes a few seconds. And yes, it's done. Our website is now fully live on the internet with all the animations, videos, and design working perfectly. So, like this, you can build and deploy your own fully functional website without writing complex code. And this was just a demo. You can create much more advanced and powerful websites using the same process.
And that's it. From just an idea to a fully live animated website using AI. You saw the full process, creating visuals, turning them into videos, building the website, customizing it, and finally deploying it. Now imagine using the same workflow for different brands or clients. You can literally build high-quality websites in hours. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'll be sharing more AI workflows like this. Also, all the prompts and resources are in my Telegram group. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.